Welcome. Today I am with B&O Beoplay H4 headset. I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your Android smartphone. So at first you have to turn it on. You have to take a look on the right headphone. In this place we can find these buttons right here. So to turn on our device we have to click and hold this middle button. When this white indicator shows, we have to click and hold these two buttons to move them to the pairing mode. So keep holding, and when this indicator starts blinking on the blue, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we can put back our headphones, and right now simply move to the Bluetooth settings on our phone. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and now just take a look for available devices list. There is our headset, Beoplay H4, so we have to tap on it once, click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.